Hello, in front of me I've got MG3. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Press 2 pages button to activate instrument cluster. Now use this knob to change menu on the instrument cluster. And what we can find here. Firstly, we can find service info, car settings, drive info, and back to service. Here we've got the road sign assistant, digital speedometer, range, drive mode, power consumption, EV indicator, coolant temperature, current gear, and assistant menu. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.